Ever wondered what those subtle sounds from your Apple Wallet are actually telling you? Today, we're diving into the hidden language of Apple Pay's sound design to uncover how it enhances your payment experience. Let's begin by exploring the sound made when you successfully add a new card to your Apple Wallet. This bright chime confirms the card has been added, signifying a successful link between the physical card and your digital wallet. Next, listen closely as you make a purchase. The initial ping you hear is the sound of your iPhone activating Apple Pay and preparing for the transaction. The sound of the successful transaction emulates a gentle whoosh, providing assurance that your payment has been processed. But what if something goes wrong? You will hear a distinct decline tone, alerting you to a problem with the payment. These distinct sounds are consistent across all your Apple devices, whether you're using your iPhone, Apple Watch, or iPad. So, the next time you use Apple Pay, pay attention to the subtle cues the sounds provide for a more seamless user experience.